Suppose you invest $3,000 for 5 years at a rate of 6%. How much interest will you earn with simple interest? So that tells us we want the simple interest formula. We remember that interest is pretty if you're investing, so I equals PRT. I got to find all the pieces. This is your principal, this is your time, and this is your rate, but we need to make it in decimal form. So let's fill in what we know. We're looking for the interest. We have 3,000 for principal times 0.06 for our rate, and our time is 5 years. We can do these in any order since they're all multiplication. So 0.06 times 5, that's 30, but you have 2 decimal points. So you have 0.3 or 0.30 times 3,000, which gives us an interest of $900. So that's how much you would earn if you left it in the bank. Now, how much will you have in total at the end of 5 years? So when you go to take it out of the bank, you get your original $3,000 plus your $900. So when you go take it out of the bank, you'll have $3,900. Suppose you invest $3,000 for 5 years at a rate of 6%. How much will you have in total using compound interest? So that tells us we're going to need the formula A equals principal times 1 plus your rate to the t power. So let's make sure we identify all the pieces. 3,000 is your principal, your time is 5, and your rate is 0.06. Remember, you need to change it to a decimal form. So let's plug those in. 3,000 times 1 plus 0.06 to the 5th power. So you're going to have to go out and do that with a calculator. Do this calculation first. You're going to do 3,000 times 1.06. So that's what you're going to put in your calculator to the 5th power, and then multiply it by 3,000. That will give you $4,014.68. Make sure you round to the hundredths place. Now that tells you how much you will have in all, because this is the amount. Now, how much would you earn in interest? So let's take out our principal, 3,000, so $1,014.68. So this will be the interest you earned. This is your original principal, and this is the total you'll have in the bank at the end of the time period.